Oh, wow.
Damn it.
Hi, I'm Mandy. I'm Mandy Cheng. I'm an interior designer, and I'm here today to help Gabrielle and Marc transform their laundry room in one afternoon.
Hi, I'm Gabrielle. This is my husband, Marc, and this is our laundry room.
We've been here for 2 years now. We haven't really gotten around to doing anything in here, so it's good to have Mandy here to help us with it.
So nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Come on in.
Thank you.
This is our laundry room.
Oh,
Welcome.
thank you. You know, I saw photos of it, but of course when you walk into a space, it looks so different.
A little different, right?
Photos, they like warp a space and
Yes.
they make it feel so much bigger. So it is,
Yes.
it is a tight space.
Pretty
Yeah.
tiny.
Tell me a little bit about this. Like what works for you, what doesn't?
We love where it is because it's right next to our garage.
Okay.
This is where we park our cars. This is kind of like our traffic way through. So if
Sure.
anyone is dirty, they're stripping down, stuff is going in the laundry.
Do you drop
Easy.
stuff in here? Like do you drop keys? Do you drop packages or anything like that?
No, we do not, but there's really no place to put it.
Oh, okay.
So
Okay.
if there was a space, we definitely would utilize it and
Okay.
just kind of keep our keys in the same area.
Great.
We have this great laundry chute, which is from upstairs. Basically, the clothes come on down.
They sure do.
Yes,
Right
they do.
onto your face.
Right onto my face. Stinky clothes.
If
Yes,
you can
yeah.
imagine, we have a 2.5-year-old, so dirty clothes.
Dirty, dirty,
Got
dirty.
it?
Yes. Sink is convenient, just not very aesthetically pleasing.
Sure.
You know, very like gas station bathroom-esque.
Right.
So,
And then, do these feel a little far back to you?
yes.
I know you're taller than me.
100%. I am
So
tall.
Maybe your reach is better than
but
mine.
I still do have to stand on my tiptoes
Okay.
and kind of like reach for heavy detergent.
Okay, so this is where you store your detergent
Yes,
and that kind of stuff. You don't
exactly.
put any of that over here.
No,
Okay.
no,
Okay.
yeah.
And Marc, for
Yeah.
you, how do you use the space? What do you like? What
Well,
issues do you have?
First thing is I do laundry too, Mandy, okay? I help out with the laundry.
You not doing it.
I do laundry too. I spend time in this space. No, I'm just kidding. But I just don't like the way it looks. You know, when I come in, long day of work, I'm running through the door. I would like to have a place that looks really cool. And
I know
right
somebody
now,
that can help you with
yeah,
that.
thank you. Right now, it looks a little sterile, I think is the word.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, we have a lot to do.
Yes.
And a very small amount of time to do it. So if you all are ready, let's get started.
Let's do this.
I'm with it. Let's go.
Excited.
Yeah.
We are here in the middle of their living room. The laundry room is obviously a very small space, so I wanted a place to stage all of the items that I'm going to pick from to stage the laundry room with once it's done. For their cabinet doors, I chose to remove these and have walnut veneer doors made. Luckily, I was able to get some things prepared ahead of time, so we pre-ordered them exactly a size. They were able to drill those holes, get the handles in, so all that had to happen today is pop the doors in place and just fine-tune the adjustments so that there isn't very much gapping between the doors. You can also make your own, whatever wood veneer wrapped cabinet doors yourself. There's some that are applied with heat with like a special iron. There's even peel and stick now. So in the same way that you would do like a peel and stick wallpaper, the veneer could go on the same way. And you can do this at home yourself. Because I'm choosing a darker paint color, people typically do the white primer, which you can do, but it could require more coats. There is primer out there, like this gray primer that we're using. It helps specifically for darker, bolder colors. So you don't have to paint 5 layers of paint on this. You can probably get away with 2 or 3. Gabrielle and Marc really love this mid-century modern design, and they also emphasize that they love blues. So I wanted to bring that into the laundry room space. So we are painting the walls a very vibrant blue. It's very bold. It will change the feeling of the space. I think that it will have the impact that Gabrielle and Marc really wanted. I chose to change out the sink fixture. So rather than having a chrome faucet fixture, I've switched it out to a brushed brass fixture. I chose this brass color because we are painting all of the walls like a turquoisey blue, and I wanted the color to pop a little bit against all the white everywhere. And not really getting too complicated with the plumbing, we kept the sink drain the same, and we just changed out the sink faucet. It will tie in with the decor and also the details in the wallpaper really nicely. Gabrielle and Marc expressed that the upper cabinets above the washer and dryer were too far back, and they are. I couldn't reach them either. So what I did was I pulled the cabinets forward. Down. And the way that you pull it forward is to create blocking behind them. The blocking behind the cabinetry is made out of 2x4s. So we basically created a box and then we stabilized it. You need to make the box the width of your cabinetry and then the depth that you want to pull it forward. You just want to make sure that you are installing it into the studs. Do not just knock it into drywall because that's not safe. And then once you put the blocking in, then your cabinetry will drill into the 2x4s and you have a very, very solid, strong cabinet. That particular wall is now 9 inches shallower than it was, and that pulled all of the cabinetry forward. And in addition to that, to help with ease of use, I took the doors off and kept them off. So they're now going to become open shelves, and I'm gonna wallpaper the back of those shelves. So there's this one. I know you said that you liked kind of that mid-century modern vibe.
Yeah, definitely.
So this, it's on trend right now.
Yeah.
Whereas this one, if you like triangles and diamonds.
Okay.
And we love
Same
gray
thing.
too.
Love
and
gray. I love the
yeah.
clean lines. I'm gonna go with this one.
I'm in it. Let's go this one.
Really?
Yeah.
Yes, we did it.
Okay. Gabrielle and Marc expressed that they really want to bring color in and to bring a little bit more pattern and just make it more fun and more in line with their style. I found a peel and stick wallpaper that's perfect for this, and I think that it will make that white cabinetry pop a little bit and give us a nicer background for all of the decor that's going on the shelves. Above their sink, they have a laundry chute, and right now clothes are just sliding down and falling into the cabinetry, and then when they open the doors, all of the clothes just fall on their face. So I wanted to get a little basket that could catch the clothes, so when they open it, they have a spot that's just for the clothes that fall through the chute, and also frees up a little bit of shelving for additional, storage for whatever else they need. Go up. For the rug in the laundry room, I wanted to choose something that could handle the high traffic. So this is the rug, and this is the rug pad, and it's like a little, like a Velcro situation. And it just peels off, and this top part can go in the washing machine. So I think that's awesome. Clients seem to really, really love this. Lomar, back. Keep going, right there. I want there to be balance with these open shelves. The lower shelves should hold the quote unquote weight. These little dryer balls in a jar, this will probably be something that goes on one of the bottom shelves because it looks heavy, it's bigger, and they're dryer balls, so they're gonna use them in the dryer. So I want them to be accessible. For the upper shelves, we can use smaller items and items that aren't really gonna be used. So maybe it's decor, maybe it's greens that are inside of a cute little container or next to a little tray. That's great, cut the tags.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
It looks totally different.
This Gab, look at these open shelves. We have to keep it looking so good, dude. This looks so amazing. Oh, look at her.
I love
Look at her
it.
little picture.
Yes.
In the tone of, you guys liking mid-century modern,
Yes.
having
Yes.
this white with walnut is, a very classic look.
Yes.
So
yeah.
I accented it with brass, changed your faucet fixture. And then, you mentioned
So good.
your laundry chute
Yeah.
and how,
Yes.
clothes just fell onto your face.
Yes.
So
Yes.
we've resolved that with just a
Let's see.
little basket.
Oh, what? Why did I think of this?
Yeah, look at how cool it looks.
Just letting laundry hit my face.
And now
This is
you have so
great.
much extra space.
Yes.
Yeah.
Definitely.
So these are obviously just fillers for now, but this is a good place for you to be able to drop off your mail or things that you want to remember to bring to your car on your way out.
That's so cool.
Perfect.
And then what about the color, Gab? You like the color?
I do like the color.
Man, that wall
I
is
do
so
like
cool.
the color.
I went big, I went bold, and you'll realize that, even though it is a small space and it is a dark color, it doesn't feel smaller.
Yeah, not
It
at all.
doesn't. No.
It feels
I
bigger.
kept
And it doesn't feel
vibrant.
dark either.
Yeah,
Which is
no.
great.
Pushing the machines back was very helpful.
Yeah, what did you guys do with
I know.
the
How
stuff
come they
back
were
there?
so far up in the first place?
There was truly about 12 inches of extra space
Oh
back
my
there. So
gosh.
pushing those back really helps. So now you
Yes.
can reach everything up there.
Reach. I don't have to get on my tiptoes.
Or pull out a stepladder or anything.
Nice.
looks
And I
so
would
good.
never even think of putting decor in my laundry room. But
Like you walk in, you feel good. It's just like you said, it's just like a great way to enter your home. It's
exactly.
so nice.
And this rug, like I totally
yeah.
would never have picked this rug, but I mean, it goes with everything. It goes with the decor. It goes with the color of the walls.
This rug is actually washable. So you can
Nice.
peel. So this is the rug pad.
Oh, wow.
sweet.
And then this
Oh,
is
it's like a Velcro
Yeah,
type of
so
thing.
it's like a
Oh,
Velcro.
Cool. You did a great job.
It's so
Thank
good.
you.
Thank you so much.
You're
I
so
know.
welcome.
I feel super lucky.
It looks so
fortunate.
it looks so good.
Yeah,
I'm really
so
thankful.
We can't say thank you enough. We love it. And now I'm going to be just super excited to do my laundry in this beautiful space. It's
Because
gonna
you
be
weren't
great.
before?
No, I was not. But now I am.
Yeah. I'll do some too.
Okay.
Yeah.